In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send encrypted email in Gmail. By the end, you'll know how to protect your message with Gmail's confidential mode so recipients can't forward, copy, print, or download it, and you can even control how long it stays accessible and require a passcode. Start by opening Gmail and clicking Compose to start a new message. Write your email as you normally would, including the recipient and the subject. Before you send it, look at the toolbar at the bottom of the Compose window. You'll see a small icon that looks like a padlock with a clock. That's the toggle for confidential mode. Click it to turn confidential mode on for this email. A settings panel will appear with two key controls. First, set the expiration. This determines how long your recipient can view the email before access automatically expires. Pick the time frame that fits your needs. Second, decide whether to require a passcode. If you turn this on, the recipient will need that extra code to open the message, adding a useful layer of protection on top of the access controls. While you're in this panel, notice the summary of what confidential mode does. With it enabled, recipients won't be able to forward, copy, print, or download your email or its attachments. This is especially helpful when you're sharing sensitive details or files and want to reduce the chances of them spreading beyond your intended audience. Keep in mind that this is about access control and message expiration. It adds protection and convenience, but it isn't the same as full end-to-end encryption. Once you've chosen the expiration period and whether to use a passcode, click Save to apply those settings to your draft. You'll see a confirmation that confidential mode is active on this message. Give your email one final review. It's a good practice to avoid placing sensitive details in the subject line, since subject lines are often more visible than the message body. When everything looks good, click Send. If you turned on the passcode option, your recipient will be prompted to enter it before they can read the message. If you didn't, they'll be able to open it right away, but only until the expiration date you set. Either way, they won't be able to forward, copy, print, or download the content. That's all there is to it. Using confidential mode is a quick, built-in way to add extra protection when sending email in Gmail, with simple controls for expiration and optional passcodes.